Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Now we discuss one question from allegations. This is a direct application of allegation technique problem. Let me share that question first. Okay. Two vessels having volumes in the ratio 3:5. What is meant by volume? Nothing but weight. So these are nothing but weights in the formula. Are mixed with water, are filled with water and milk solutions. Water is first one and milk is second part. Milk solutions. The ratio of, okay, in the while coming to the explanation in the second point, the ratio of milk to water is given, not water to milk. Milk to water is in the ratio 2:3 and 3:1 respectively. So if the contents of both the vessels are emptied into a larger vessel, that means both the contents are mixed into a larger vessel. Find the ratio of milk and water in the larger vessel. Okay. Here we can solve this question by using either allegation with respect to milk or allegation with respect to water. I do first with respect to milk. Allegation formula I apply with respect to milk. So here, what is the weights of two volumes 3:5? So I write here 3 liters, assume, and this is 5 liters, assume, and this is fixed. These two are nothing but weights corresponding to milk percentage in that 3 liters weight. The ratio of milk and water, the two vessels are in the ratio 2:3. So milk to water in the first vessel is 2:3. In the second vessel, it is 3:1. So out of 2 plus 3, total 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, 2 parts are milk, and out of 3 plus 1, 4 parts, 3 parts are milk. Now we can get a fractional value. With respect to milk, we have to write this 3 liters is weight and this 5 liters is weight of volume 2. And with respect to milk, we have to write what is the milk content 2/5 in the first place. So I write 2/5 here. And what is milk content in 5 liters? In 5 liters, second case. In second case, milk content is 3/4 part. 3 parts out of 4 parts. So 3/4. Is it clear? I repeat. The volume of absolute volume of milk in the first container is 3 liters. Absolute volume of milk content in second is 5 liters. And here, what is milk to water ratio in first one? 2:3. So out of 5 parts, 2 parts should be milk. So 2/5 I have written, corresponding to 2/5 fraction, 40%. Next, with respect to second one, 3 parts should be milk out of 4 parts. So 3/4 is the fraction corresponding to milk content in second volume. And now, what is the contents of both the vessels are emptied into a larger vessel? Find the ratio of milk to water in the larger vessel. So we want overall ratio of milk, overall percentage of milk in the overall mixing 3 plus 5, 8 liters. In that 8 liters, what is the milk percentage? So here, if you observe, 2/5 is 40%, 3/4 is 75%, which is bigger. A should lie between this 40% and 75%. Therefore, I write arrow like this: 3/4 to A and A to 2/5. A should be greater than 40% and less than 75%. Now we write towards left hand side, 3/4 minus A is to A minus 2/5, which is having the exact ratio to that of their weights. What is the weight corresponding to left side part? 3 liters. So I write 3 liters here. What is the weight corresponding to right hand side? 5 liters. Therefore, I write 5 liters here. So this can be quickly answered. 3 into A. 3A minus 3 to 6/5 is equal to 5 into 3, 15/4 minus 5A. And now you write 5A towards left hand side. It will be 8A is equal to 15/4. Quickly writing 15/4 plus 6/5. So what is the LCM? 20. Numerator part will be 15, 5, 15, 4, 60, 75. 75 plus 24. 75 plus 6, 15, 5, 60 plus 15, 75, 6, 4, 24. So A is coming to be 75 plus 24, 99 divided by 8 to 160. So what is A here? Carefully we have to observe. 2/5 is fraction of milk in content volume 1. 3/4 is fraction of milk in volume 2. A is fraction of milk in overall content. 2, 3 plus 5, 8 liters. So A is milk, 99 is milk percentage, milk content, and 160 is milk plus water content. So answer to this question is find the ratio of milk and water in the larger vessel. So milk is 99 liters and water is the remaining. 160 minus 91 is equal to 61. 99 is to 61, right? So milk content to water content in the fraction in the overall mixture is 99 is to 61. This is the answer, not 99 by 160. Here what we did with respect to milk, we have applied eligation technique. And I make you practice of applying eligation technique with respect to water also. With respect to water also, we should get the same fraction. Let me check whether it is coming or not with respect to water. In the second case, what is water content? Again, 3 liters is the mixture here. 5 liters is content here. And what is water content in mixture 1? 3 by 5. Total 5 parts. Out of 3 parts are water content. Therefore, I write here 3 by 5. 3 by 5. With respect to water, we are doing 3 by 5. 60% of water is here. And in the second one, 3 is to 1. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is water content. So if you write 3 by 5 and 1 by 4, 75%, this is 60%, this is 25%. Definitely, assume this has W, water, small w, water content ratio in the overall mixture. So W will be less than 3 by 5 and greater than 1 by 4. Therefore, arrow can be kept like this. And in the right hand side part, it will be 3 by 5 minus W, and towards left hand side, it will be W minus 1 by 4. And here W minus 1 by 4 and 3 by 5 minus W. Both should have the exact ratio equal to that of absolute values of weights, 3 liters and 5 liters. Therefore, 3 should be kept here, 5 should be kept here. 3 liters is corresponding to left side one. That means first mixture. 5 liters is corresponding to right side one. That is mixture 2. So quickly we can replace these two with equality. So 5 into W, we can write 5W minus 5 by 4 is equal to 3 is 9 by 5 minus 3W. Now you write 5W plus 3W, 8W is equal to 9 by 5 plus 5 by 4. So 9 4 is 36, 5 5 is 21. 36 plus 5 5, 9 4 is 36, 5 5 is 25. 36 plus 25 by 5 4 is 20. Now if you find water is coming to be 36 plus 20. What is that? 35 25, 61. 61 divided by 8 to 160. So water fraction in the overall mixture is 61 by 160, where water is 61 and 160 is water plus the thing is milk. So in the question it is mentioned what is the ratio of milk to water. So milk is first, water is next. Water is 61, so the remaining 160 minus 61, it is 160 minus 60 is 100, 100 minus 1, 99. So 99 is to 61 is the ratio of milk to water content in the overall mixture. So answer to this question is 99 is to 61. We applied with respect to milk eligation technique, with respect to water eligation technique. In both the cases, we should get the same answer. Why? Because mixture quantity does not change. Percentages also separated equally depending upon content. So answer is 99 is to 61 milk to water content ratio in the overall mixture. What is the overall quantity? 3 plus 5, 8 liters. In that 8 liters, 99 parts is milk and 61 parts is water. Thank you. If you like my video, please like it. Please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.